Egypt's most sacred throne. It's once ruled by kings from the south, but history erased them. This is the dynasty they never told you about. 3,000 years ago, a powerful African kingdom rose in the deserts of Nubia. Egypt called them the bowmen of the south, but soon they would call them Pharaoh. In the 8th century BC, Egypt was collapsing. Divided, weak, vulnerable, and then a Nubian king named Piye crossed the Nile and reclaimed Egypt's throne in the name of ancient order. He didn't conquer Egypt, he united it. They were the rulers of the 25th dynasty, also known as the Black Pharaohs. They restored temples, revived traditions, and rebuilt Egypt with a devotion even Egyptians had forgotten. To the Egyptians, Nubian kings were not outsiders. They were seen as the true heirs of the old gods. Where Egypt's local rulers failed, the Nubians brought justice, unity, and stability. In just a few years, Egypt rose again. Under Pharaoh Shabaka, Egypt and Nubia became a single African superstate. Trade flourished. Temples shined. The Nile world breathed again. And then came the mightiest of them all, Taharqa. Taharqa was a warrior pharaoh so powerful that even the expanding Assyrian Empire struggled against him. He protected Jerusalem. He fought the world's strongest army. He became a legend in both Africa and the Middle East, and yet most history books barely mention his name. Eventually, the Assyrians returned with overwhelming force. The Nubian pharaohs were pushed back into Kush, but they didn't disappear. They built their own pyramids, their own cities, held my legacy. For centuries, Europe dismissed Nubian pharaohs because they didn't fit the image of Egypt they wanted to believe. But the truth always rises. These kings ruled Egypt with strength, honor, and vision, and their statues, found deep in Sudan, prove their greatness cannot be erased. Power doesn't care about borders. Greatness rises wherever courage lives. This is the forgotten dynasty of the Black Pharaohs. If you want more untold empires, subscribe. The Nile still has many secrets.